Good morning, brothers and sisters. It is 9:45 a.m. Central Standard Time here in the United States, in the Tulsa, Oklahoma area. It is December 18th, 2021, and I hope everyone is doing well. I am over here at Lasco C3, and I happen to notice something. This is from today, 12/18/0406 a.m. UTC time, and watch this. Oh, that's about 7.5 hours of just missing data. Wow. I want my money back. Oh, do you see that nice little glitch? 354 to 406. You see how this side changed, but this side doesn't? See that? See the change there? Yeah, it's because are they freezing time? Or is it that light bending technology that's actually on this side stopping everything here, but you see the move here, and that's when boop, we all of a sudden have that big old time jump. But let's just kind of see how everything plays out. Ooh. Wow, did you guys see that? That was a lot of stuff going on there. What in the fragnog? Wow, there's a lot of stuff going on out there they don't want us watching. Ooh. Man, there's a lot of things happening. Now I want everybody to kind of pay attention to something. Ooh, the guy there and there. This is actually kind of interesting to see there. But we're actually kind of moving into something. Wow, there's just so much that they do there. Look at that, 14:30, 15:30. Let's make it 8.5 hours just straight out. That's an hour missing. Lovely, beautimous. Do you guys see this nice little like cloud here? It looks like almost like a nebula cloud going on over here. We're actually moving into a system where we will actually, well, or should I say, we'll be aligned with it, where we can actually see it looking through Lasco. And let me tell you what that is. We don't have anything else here as of major note except for that big 7.5 hour gap. So let's go check out a couple other things. Now, what we were looking at there on Lasco C3 was this here. It's the Manasseh photon belt. It's almost like one of the 12 tribes of Israel, like people of Manasseh. Interesting. Manasseh photon belt, 2,000 light years across. This is our solar system. This right here is what is the electromagnetic cloud. It's this golden nebula, sometimes referred to as the radiant nebula by ETs? ? Its more universal designation is photon belt or photon band. What if it has anything to do with photon torpedoes? That's interesting. Consisting of many bands, and any encounter with this belt is recognized by extraterrestrials as of great import. Great importance. Another aspect. Oh wait. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is what we're dealing with. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? Now, of course, this is what I put in my little search engine, was Manasseh photon belt. Notice what this looks like. Almost like a black hole of sorts. Or, what is this right here? It's kind of like the same kind of an ordeal. Seven Sisters Pleiades solar system. Looks like a donut, sort of. Doesn't it, going through this? Wait a minute. I think I see a connection. I knew it. They're donuts. They are space donuts. That's why I love donuts. It makes so much sense. I love the glazed ones, the chocolate ones with little sprinkly things on top. Yes, it's donuts. Oh, I knew donuts were literally food of the gods. Fruit of the gods it is. Of course, I'm just joking, folks. It's a Taurus field, not a donut. Although, one could say it kind of resembles a cosmic donut. I mean, both kind of round, hollow in the middle. Put a little bit, look at, you got little sprinkly things all on top. Oh, man. Looks like this one's got swirls. Oh. I'm pretty sure donuts are resemblances of foods of the gods. I mean, we've got our own Taurus fields. I mean, the Earth's got its own little Taurus field. So the Earth has its own donut. We have our own donut. Oh, it's just wonderful. Why can't donuts just be the foods of the gods and we all partake of a donut and all join each other in heaven in the 5D? That sounds like a plan. Who's ever up for that, leave a comment and say aye. Aye. And our Schumann Resonance has got a power of about 33. We've actually got a decent little uptick here, which is actually quite surprising. This is over in Russia. The Italian model wasn't really showing much of anything. Russia does. They do change a little bit depending on your location. It could be a series of storms that's over in this area. We can always go and take a look and find out. But yeah, because Italy doesn't really, the Italian model doesn't really show much. But this is what we're looking at here for Russia. So actually, why don't we check that out real quick? Looks like we've got three. We've got three locations: Lekta, Karelia, Russia; Mashiri, or Hokkaido, Japan; and West Greenwich, Rhode Island, United States. Why is it called West Greenwich? Isn't Greenwich over in England? A lot of things I'm not liking about that. But let's go check out Russia, shall we? So, Lekta is where I could get it, and it was right near St. Petersburg, and there is no lightning. It is just snow. I mean, unless they manage to get, thunder snow, which is possible, but I'm not really seeing how or why. Yep, and this is all going this way, so they couldn't possibly have that yet. So yeah, Schumann was a little high there, huh? Coolness. Now, let's jump over and see what we're looking at as far as some flare activity. And for flare activity, we're actually seem to be on the calm down. Had a few yesterday, but so far today, it's been pretty smooth. Just we're living in the upper B's, having some little pops that are touching up in the C's. Let's go over and check out SDO. All is actually going pretty well, to be honest with you. Over here on the sun, we're not looking at anything major. We had one little flare poking out from around the limb saying, hi. But this was, again, last night at 22:27 UTC time. Luckily, we didn't get the full brunt of it. So, yeah, I don't see any filaments coming our way whatsoever. Just little spits here and there, but nothing of major importance. And it's really kind of crazy, folks. Oh, you saw that little gas come off and be recaptured. But really, with all this has been coming around, it's been calming down. It's actually starting to go a little more quiet. Which, again, calm before the storm kind of makes you wonder, especially when this comes around the bend, kind of giving a little popsy-wopsy. Ooh, we'll see, folks. We'll see. Let's go check out seeds and see what kind of fun stuff we can find over there. Shall we? And once again, this is for yesterday, but we actually got the last few remaining. So let's go see what we can find here. I did slow it down to 8. Probably slow it down a little bit more here. Bring it down to 5, and we'll go from there. So now, let's see if... obviously, we saw this guy right here being pushed. You can see the plasma going on each side, pushing him off. There was another one up there. Ooh. You gotta love all of those. Whoa-oh, whoa-oh. Did you see that? Oh. I think I saw some photon torpedoes. Or was it what they call a sun diving comet? Where was it there? There we go. Right here. But there's 2 of them. Not just one. It's gonna make you wonder, is that with the light like as above, so below? Because you see this one here. You see this one here. Alright, positive energy being white. And then the negative or dark energy, dark matter, being black. Oh, what's going on up here? That's interesting. And then we got our little dive bomber. Is that what that's all about, folks? I'm just kind of wondering. And then it disappears. Now, from the trajectory of it, I would say it wasn't going into the sun. I would say it was probably shooting past it myself. So, who knows? That actually could be Leonard that they've been talking about. Could be going out around this way and then catching the hook, and then flying back off around this way. So Leonard is a comet that was right near us. So it is what it is. Wow, what is this here? That's pretty interesting, don't you think? Oh, there it is in white. And then 2 frames later, there it is in black. So something actually was popping off here, but we don't. Oh yeah, look at this. But we don't get the fortunes of seeing what that was. Maybe we should go check out SDO one more time, huh? What do you think? Let's go check that out, because that seems a little sus. Just on a hunch, I came over here to Sechi. And let's see what we can find here, huh? Because that was at right around 2100, 2200 when it started to pop off. Ooh, look at that. Hey there, fella. How you doing? Let's back him up a little bit. Yeah. He's definitely there. See him? All right. Oh, look at that. There's our little heart-shaped guy again, right? There he is. Hey, buddy. Is he in there previous? Huh. And actually, it looks like there's something here. But it doesn't come in very clear. Oh my gosh. I really need to learn to silence that. Sorry, guys. Oh, we got a big jump there. From 0253 to 1223. Holy cow. That's a lot of missing data. Let's go to the point of interest. Oh, look at that. There's that little heart shape or V. Again, so there's something right here. Something's going on there. What? Something's really funky going on this one. Some of the stuff I'm not used to seeing. Okay, here we go. 2023. Oh, yeah. Something popped. Ooh, that's an ugly one, too. Looks like it kind of went off the back side, though. It's not coming at us, because we're actually over here. We're on this side. You know, like this one is actually facing the sun, but we are over here in retrospect. So this, well, supposedly, but this is satellite supposed to be coming closer to the Earth. So it's definitely looks like there's something there. Actually, looks like there's two somethings there. This is pretty interesting. Let's see if we can. I'll see if I can find something on SDO, but I don't think we will. They'll probably have that blocked off pretty well. Let's go find out. Well, I'll be honest. I have not seen anything to give any kind of indications of any kind of a pop going off over here whatsoever. From 17, which is here. And let's go about there. Let's back it up a little bit more. Boop. Should see it out of the northern region, but really don't see anything. So it definitely came off the back side. So that satellite must be over here. Still a pretty decent ways for it to see it coming off the back side. That's pretty interesting, though. And I looked at 3 other ones before I even came here and even hit record for you guys to see, but I've seen nothing. It'd be nice to know what's going on in the backside of the sun, kind of like the backside of the moon. Nitrous dioxide levels for the day. Actually, they haven't changed much in the past few days. Not really a whole lot. The highest levels, of course, are all over here in China. Congratulations, you win the loser award. In India is a very close second. We've got very high levels over here in Iran and Pakistan. So yeah, congratulations, China, for killing a whole bunch of your people with that nasty poison. Let's check out some PM2.5 levels, shall we? And PM2.5 levels, oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm actually happy to report I do not see any dark red dangerous levels. That is the first time I've ever said that. I mean, we've got some that are kind of getting into the orange, slightly turned, but I mean, we haven't had any that are dark red like this at all. I mean, we haven't had a day where we haven't had that, and now it's actually looking pretty good. That's wonderful. Well, congratulations to the world for today. No super high levels of PM2.5, just regular high. And it looks like India is going to be 109. So that's right about here. So, hey, that's actually we're not doing too bad. It looks like they're getting better. Thank goodness for that. Stay safe, everybody. Remember, love is the only way forward. I'm actually going to be doing another one right here on anagrams. And, oh yeah, we're going to find out some more fun stuff here later on today. Stay tuned. Talk to y'all then. Love you. Be safe.